Are you prepared for a sharp economic downturn? A top economist warns a U.S. recession, and a 30% stock market crash could hit by the end of 2026. Gary Shilling, a veteran economist formerly with Merrill Lynch, has issued a stark warning. He says a recession in the United States before the end of 2026 is almost inevitable. Shilling points to multiple economic weaknesses, including declining consumer spending, which has historically signaled downturns. This is a significant alert coming from a respected expert with decades of experience analyzing market cycles. Beyond recession fears, Shilling predicts that the stock market could suffer a sharp correction, potentially plunging as much as 30% by the end of 2026. This suggests that equities are currently overvalued and vulnerable to a major sell-off. Investors should be cautious, as this level of decline would wipe out substantial market gains and impact portfolios significantly. One of the main drivers behind Shilling's recession prediction is a likely decline in consumer spending. Since consumer purchases make up a large portion of the U.S. economy, any significant reduction can slow growth and trigger recessions. This signals trouble ahead not just for businesses, but for everyday Americans relying on a stable economy. With the risk of a recession and a 30% stock market drop, investors need to reassess their portfolios. Diversification and caution are key. Staying informed through reliable sources like MSN Money for the latest market updates can help you navigate the uncertainty. Planning ahead could protect your investments from severe downturns. Shilling highlights multiple structural weaknesses in the economy that contribute to this bleak outlook. Elevated stock valuations and slowing consumer activity combined create a perfect storm for recession. While timing is always uncertain, the consensus from this expert is clear. 2026 could be a tough year economically for the U.S. A recession and a steep stock market crash could affect your savings and job security. Stay alert, review your finances, and follow trusted updates closely. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for the latest insights that impact your money and future.